Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mermaid Mina, and for today's tutorial we will be doing this cute, simple, beautiful mermaid Halloween look. So if you want to see how you can achieve this look, then please keep watching. Okay, so for this video I decided to go with the voiceover. We are going to start with our eyes and applying some shadow shields. They are not the original shadow shields, but I got these off of Amazon. You get a bigger pack for a way cheaper price. So go ahead and click on my Amazon link in the bio, where it'll take you directly to all the products that I purchased from Amazon will be there. We are going to be taking our Anastasia eye primer and just applying this all over our lids to get a nice clean base ready for our eyeshadow. So now we're going in with the Urban Decay Electric palette, and we will be taking this purple shade and filling in our brows with it. Now we're going to take our Jeffree Star Cosmetics Jawbreaker palette, and I'm taking the light blue shade from that, and I'm going to apply it to the outer corner of my eye, blending inwards and upwards. We are just building a good transitional base to have a nice blend. Also taking the lavender shade from that palette and applying it to the inner corner, morphing it with that light blue shade, also helping it create a good transitional color. I am not sure why my video is looking a little blurry, but hopefully it'll correct itself throughout the video. Now taking the darker blue shade from the palette, I am just going to take this color and just apply it to the outer corner of my eye, building up depth and getting it ready for our cut crease. And taking the Norvina Pro Pigment Palette Volume 1, also taking the dark blue shade in that palette, and again just building up color to give us some nice depth. Taking our Anastasia eye primer, and we are going to cut our inner crease. But before we lay our glitter down, we're going to take this blue purple shimmer shade from the palette and lay it down as a base, so that way we get a nice opaque color for when we do apply the glitter. And to apply our glitter, we will be using the NYX glitter primer and just applying that wherever we did cut the crease. The glitters we will be using today are from Eye Candy Cosmetics. I know I pictured a green one, but we actually just went with the blue, purple, and a silver one. And so now I am just taking each glitter color one by one and just packing it on, but mixing them up so that way we get a nice jumble of colors. So once all the glitters were laid down, I decided I wanted to do a wing liner. So I'm taking by Jeffree Star Cosmetics the Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Clout, and I am just going to apply this like a liner. So now that our eyes are basically almost done, we are gonna take our, oh my gosh, our NYX Bear With Me Jelly Primer, and we are gonna apply this jelly to our face and get it ready for everything we're gonna do to it. And today I'll be using by Makeup Revolution the Define and Conceal Concealer. I didn't want to use a foundation just because we're already going to be doing so much to our face, so I wanted something light but enough to give us some coverage and a nice base for our colors. Going in now with our translucent loose face powder by Dermablend, and again just applying this to set our concealer to give us a nice foundation for our special effects. So for the next step, we are going to be creating our mermaid scales. You can take fishnet stockings, any type of a net, and by this point I'm just playing with it. Finding a way to hold up the net is the tricky part, so be sure to find the most comfortable angle for you before beginning to apply your shadows. So sticking with the same colors I used on my eyes, I am just taking the blue, a lighter blue, and the purple on any type of brush, and I'm just packing those colors on in a gradient way so that way we get some nice looking scales. This blue shade and the following blue shade are actually from the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal palette. The purple is still from the Urban Decay Electric palette. And taking the Anastasia Moonchild palette, we're going to use it with a highlighting brush and just go over our scales to give us a more shiny, iridescent look. Now once you have your shiny scales, peel back that net and behold your mermaid scales. And you're just now going to repeat this process in any areas that you want to have that mermaid effect. Once all your scales are done, we're going to go in again with the Moonchild palette and just highlight our faces to give us a more iridescent look. Once our face is ready, we are going back to the eyes, And we are going in with the Better Than Sex Too Faced mascara. Now this is the purple version that they collabed with Nikki Tutorials. Again, just trying to stay with the color scheme. And we're gonna apply some lashes. Now mermaids, you gotta think, you know, very pretty, very exotic, so the bigger the better. Now for the fun part, we're gonna go in with these flat back iridescent pearls, again from Amazon, and we'll be using our duo eyelash glue, the clear side, and we will just be sticking these little pearls all over our face. I didn't really have a layout planned of where I wanted to put these, so I kind of just went ham and put them wherever my little heart desired. And because it's a voiceover, I realized that I forgot to film me doing my lips. So for my lips, I actually am using the shades Mermaid Blood and You Better Work from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, his velour liquid lipsticks. I just did a gradient ombre with them. So let's throw our wig on. Alright everyone, there you have it for today's tutorial. I hope you liked this simple, cute Halloween look, and there are many more to come. If you like this video, please be sure to like it and don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye.